How's it going, YouTube Nation? Boss Man with Reshort Ranch Small Engine Repair and more. Today is the and more part. I will show y'all how to whip up a Cajun cheeseburger casserole. Alright, so for our ingredients, we got salt, we got red pepper, 2 cans of biscuits, cheese, ground beef, extra sharp cheddar that you can sprinkle, and butter. Now do note, I use real butter. You can use margarine, but I prefer not to have clogged arteries. So with that being said, that's the ingredients. Our cooking utensils to brown the ground beef, and once we got everything prepared, we stick it in this pan right here, put it in the oven and bake it. So with that said, let's get started. Alright, YouTube Nation, I got the ground beef browning. Forgot to mention earlier the extra seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and we got some Zydeco chop. And I buttered my casserole dish. For those of you who don't know what Zydeco chop is, this is it. As you can see, it's dried up onions, bell peppers, and other spices. It does come in multiple size containers. And it really saves a lot of time from cutting onions and bell peppers if you don't have time or don't feel like doing so. I'll leave the affiliate link in the description below. Alright, y'all excuse the mess. Boss lady likes to cook. The stove's a little on the dirty side, but we got our ground beef frying down. As y'all can see, we already drained it. Now I took my casserole dish and I took the 8 biscuits, laid them flat at the bottom of the pan. Of course, we had butter on it, but now comes the time we take our ground beef and we layer it on top of the biscuits. All right, go ahead and preheat y'all's oven to 375. I started the layering process. Now the key to this dish is you want a lip on your outside of your pan for your biscuits. Keep your ground meat inside. That is the key. All right, we're halfway through. I have my layer of cheese, so you repeat the process. Another layer of biscuits, another layer of meat, and finally shredded cheese, not sliced cheese, shredded cheese. You only want sliced cheese on your first layer of cheese. So let's do another layer of biscuits. Now our cheeseburger casserole is ready to be put in the oven. I'm gonna start off by putting it for 10 minutes baking at 375. My oven's already preheated. Every oven is different, so set your oven for 10 minutes. If 10 minutes doesn't fully cook the biscuits, set it for another 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and put it in our oven. Our Cajun cheeseburger casserole is done. Wound up having to cook it for 30 minutes. Like I said, everybody's oven is different, but this is our finished product. This is Boss Man with Reshort Ranch Small Engine Repair, the more part. Y'all like and subscribe. Go be blessed. Oh yeah. Smells and looks delicious. Like and subscribe. Don't forget.